This is Stephen Roseman, Visual Frameworks, term 1302. This is the final week of class. And this week we're adding on to the form. This week was to be able to not essentially duplicate, or excuse me, when you're editing an item, not have it duplicate when you're displaying the data, and have it be consistent. And I for an easy week managed to struggle this week, um, in the process. I was able to go through the code, which I believe to be pretty consistent in understanding of where this was coming from within the get data, and also being able to create the new, or excuse me, create the new list item, excuse me, um, using the unordered list from the previous item. However, I ran into an issue with my object where it seemed to create an error and cause when, or excuse me, when I was displaying data, it caused my product group not to display. So it ran an error there, and I still seem to be caught up at that point. Just to take a look. So I'm able to pull up my images. So the initial is good for start off. I have my JSON data, which was also a part of this week's assignment, to create default data so that we don't have to do the extra legwork of continuously typing in data to be able to test. And when I go into edit wish, or excuse me, we have a full name, email, the group name, what the interest is from the slider, the color, we have favorite clicked, the date, and the comment. And when we go to edit, we only get to email. The product group going forward caused an error. I'm still having a dog of a time going through it to try to see where it's coming from, and I'm still going. So this is a process. Even in an easy week where you think things should go right, it can go wrong for you. So I'll continue to work on the issue, but I wanted to get this in and show you that you can run into an issue, which I'm sure a lot of people have, or maybe not as quite as bad as what I'm going through right now. I hope this has been as good of a class for you as it has been for me, in a learning process. So I'll be doing so and continue to work on some of my issues. You have a good evening.